Hello everybody around the world. It is Randy with myscreenkit.net, of course kingofsolarscreens.com. If you guys joined me just a few days ago, the last broadcast we did, we were talking about crossbars, how to properly measure. This is the one we built while we were on camera there a week ago, or this week, excuse me. As you can see, that crossbar came directly in the center, so that when these homeowners look out the top or the bottom, they don't see an extra bar, because that is where the break of the window is. In fact, I'm going to scooch over to my left to show you what I mean by that. There's that 30-inch break, or in this case, it's about an 18-inch break because the window itself is only 36 inches tall. Now, I will tell you, if you don't like the crossbar, don't take it. I personally hate the crossbar. This is typically when I drive by and I'm doing a house and I see some old screens next door. Typically I'll see a mud dauber nest, sometimes even bird's nest, leaves, grass, the neighbor's toys, all kinds of things that hang up inside those crossbars. And for me, I'm very, I don't know the word. I like quality. I'm very stern on making things look good and keeping my home looking good. I think we discussed that the other day. You are paying literally $500,000 to live in it. Take great care of it. What an amazing investment. But crossbars never cost anything. Of course, when you get the My Screen Kit, it comes naturally with it. Whether you leave it in there permanently or just use it while you roll the material to keep your screens from hourglassing. Either way, it's designed to be helpful. Keep it or not, it's up to you. I personally just don't like it because it typically attracts the dirt and it creates the ugliness. But that's my follow-up, guys. I appreciate all your support this week when we did our live shot for the myscreenkit.net when we talked about crossbars, how to measure, and placement. You guys be blessed.